good man follows. That's just the way it's got to be.
What's going on, Skid? I'm going to show you how to clean your garbage disposal using ice. I'm in a make ready today, getting it ready for a new residence, and well, let all this ice go to waste. I'll show you how to clean out a garbage disposal. Remove that if you can. Some of them don't have it, some do. And just dump the ice in there. You see how dirty it is in there. This ice should clean it up pretty good. Get as much as you can into the disposal. I run hot water. And turn it on. You'll see it start to fill up with water. There we go, it's filling up. There it is. Boom, you see that water? See how that water got all dirty? Water. It'll eventually drain. There it goes. Got a little residue in there, but it's clean. You can see the silver again. I'll wipe all this off with a napkin so it doesn't go back into the disposal. But that's a fun thing to do in a make ready. Instead of wasting the ice, is dumping it out, put it in the disposal and clean it. Yeah, it's draining good, it's draining normal. It doesn't clog anything up or anything. Just cleans it. I sucked most of the gunk out of there. Yep, you can see the silver again. The rest of that is just stained. It's on there good. It's not coming out. But it's cleaner than it was. Alright, thank you all for watching the Dirty Maintenance Show.
It's just